Hi guys, this is my little friend Panda. You don't want to say hello? Say hello. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, okay. Whoop. So anyway, I know I haven't been filming lately and uploading videos. That's because I've been really sick. I've been sick for maybe the past month. I'm getting better. I'm almost 100%. I could say maybe 47% better. And yeah, I promise you there'll be a lot more videos coming up. Don't go in there. Don't go inside the washing. Don't. Hand up. No. Hand up. Hand up. So yes, I promise I'll be making more videos. And yeah. Alright, let me put you down then. Let me put you down. Alright. Let go. There you go. I'll be back making more videos and all that jazz. Sorry about my unappealing look. All I've been doing for the last few days is sleeping. All week I've been going to doctors and trying to figure out what's wrong with me. So, yeah. This house is so crazy. You guys don't understand how crazy my mom's house is. We have 8 cats. And they're all mine that I've left here, which is kind of crazy. And my cat, actually had babies. So we have one litter, one of her old litters, and we have a new one. This is what my house is right now. Our washing machine's broken, so there's like a hole in it. Using a spinny chair. And my little boy is over here. If you can see him, he's decided to take a nap on the towels in the laundry bathtub. Do you know that I've had him for 6 or 7 months? About 6 months. And the whole entire time I thought he was a girl. So I named him Tama. And I only just figured out last week that he's a boy. So I renamed him Tim Tam, which is a weird name for a cat, but then again, one of our kittens' name is Akamaru. So, yeah. I promise you I'll make more videos. Okay, see ya.